Goodbye, the raindrops fall. The little mouse is oh so small. It hides beneath a leafy shade, watching puddles softly fade. The wind goes swish, the trees bend low. The mouse peeks out so shy and slow. Raindrops sparkle on the ground, and it splashes all around. The clouds drift by, the sky turns